Need control over signal quality? You've got it. Adjust strictness filters, define how many MACD waves are analyzed, and choose whether to include same wave divergences. From aggressive setups to conservative filters, it's your choice. Multi-timeframe dashboard. Analyze divergences from up to 4 timeframes simultaneously. This gives you context and the ability to align local trades with global market sentiment. Looking for signals? The built-in Ultra Signals system highlights possible trend reversals with filtered MACD cross-logic, only when conditions are met. Clear, reliable, efficient. On top of that, independent reversal signals based on oscillators and MAs, and our proprietary MACD risk bands highlighting statistical extremes so you can see when momentum enters critical zones. Visually, everything is configurable. Colors, styles, labels, background marks make your chart clean, readable, and aligned with your workflow. Set alerts and be notified the moment a high-probability divergence appears. No need to babysit the chart. But remember, this is not a signal generator. It's a confirmation framework. Use it to support your edge, reinforce your setups, and make data-driven decisions. Whether you're building trend-following strategies, counter-trend systems, or simply need deeper insight into momentum structure, AQ Pro MACD Pro was designed to fit into your professional toolkit. No noise, no clutter, just structured information, delivered with precision. If you're serious about your craft, it's time to elevate your divergence analysis. AQ Pro MACD Pro, built for traders who take structure seriously.